So how are you guys feeling?
Pretty good, Gabe.
Yeah, I feel like singing in the rain. I feel like I was a little quiet for some of it, but I had so much fun. This guy's hilarious, and I love Doug.
Ron, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling wonderful, Gabe. Had a great time with friends, getting stoned. I made it to not eat pie or candy, and that was a big victory for me. Hopefully that'll continue, but I doubt it. And I just have a great day. Oh, another bad choice.
I'll put that over there.
Well, I'm good. Thank you, Gabe.